Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing Ratchet and Clank up your
arsenal.
Yep. Okay, let's start this.
My Blargian Snagglebeast devours your mutant swamp fly. Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing? Check and mate. What? That's cheating! On the contrary, the rules clearly state that the Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that flash 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But you lose as gracefully as you win.
I would not know, Maximilian. I never lose.
There is a first for everything. Agent Clank!
Oh, hello, Ruby.
You missed. So much for the famous secret agent.
Shocking.
You got half
Bring
here.
the car around, Jeeves. And mind the ejector seat this time.
Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
That was terrific. Yeah, great. Change the channel. But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Veldin. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious is the mastermind behind the Tyrannoid attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Double Gratch, Channel 64 News.
We're going home. My Veldin is in the Solana Galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive. The one you built from Blargian scrap metal. Coming, we are doomed. You were saying? I stand corrected. I just hope we're not too late.
So here we go. Planet Veldin. Okay, go.
Greetings, Client 91802, and welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
Okay, hold up. I don't like vibration.
Was like vibration.
Oh, it shakes and stuff.
Where'd you we stay?
These must be the Galactic Rangers.
Hey, look! It's a new sergeant.
Huh?
Hey, Sergeant, you can have my gun. There's too many of them. We're all gonna die!
Press circle to fire your shot blaster.
Yeah.
Am I glad to see you, Sergeant? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's gotta take it out.
Let me guess. That somebody is me.
We got a volunteer. Here, Sarge, take this. We'll cover you. From back there.
Try using the nitro launcher against that vehicle.
Okay.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick. Hold L1 to precisely target your weapon. Level has increased.
What's the situation?
The Noids have fallen back to a base in F sector. We have orders to go in and take him out. F sector? No way. Game over, man. We're all gonna end up as scrap metal.
Get back in there, trooper. We've got a planet to save.
Sir, yes, sir.
Upgrade.
Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically when they're used frequently. Hold circle to charge up the shock blaster for a more powerful...
Now go. Install complete.
Sir, we have a transmission from the president.
How are things on the front lines, soldier? Is that secret agent Clank?
Greetings, sir. We're here to help.
Well, this is an honor. I see you brought your chauffeur along.
What? No. Hold on a second, sir.
Agent Clank, we must stop Dr. Nefarious. As you may know, only one man has ever faced him and survived. I've just received a top secret report on that man's whereabouts. Here, take a look.
On tonight's episode of Nature's Mysteries, we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of Florana's Jambu forest lives a mysterious creature. Or maybe he doesn't. It's one of nature's nature's mysteries.
I've seen him run right through our camping site. He was butt naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it wasn't a banana. It could be.
One of nature's mysteries. Legend tells that this mysterious creature is actually one of the greatest superheroes who ever lived. Shamed by his recent past, he is now one of nature's mysteries. Tune in and find out the answers.
We need you to find this man. The fate of the galaxy may depend on it.
Are you sure this is the guy you're looking for, Mr. President? Yeah, he seems like kind of a, wacko.
You may be right, but he's the best chance we've got. I know you boys won't let me down.
You can count on us, sir.
So that's Veldin complete, guys. Oh.